Good day, viewers. Today we want to consider mode. Mode is the value with highest frequency. It also means the number that occurred most. And when we have two modes, that means when we have two numbers that appear most, we call it bimodal. Let's solve these examples on the board. Please, if you are yet to subscribe, ensure that you do that right now. All you need to do is to locate the subscription button. Let's solve question 1. We have 6, 6, 8, 9, 9. We have another 9 here. And 10. Which number occurs most? 9 is the most occur frequency. 9 is the most occur frequency. Therefore, mode is equals to 9. Let's solve question 2. We have 7, 5, 6, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2. 7 occurs twice, and likewise 5 occurs twice. So that means 5 and 7 occurred most. So therefore, mode is equals to 5 and 7. And this is example of bimodal. That is when we have two modes. Then question 3, we have 8, 2, 3, 1, 7, 8, 8, 4, 2, 3. 8 occur most. So therefore, mode is equals to 8. I want to encourage you to find the mode of the following numbers and put your answers in the comment section. Please try it and put your answer in the comment section. I'll be glad to see your answers in the comment section. Thank you.